Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Tacoma, Washington, Fife. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a pet-friendly. This hotel is located just off I-5 in downtown Fife and is 2.9 miles from the Emerald Queen Casino. It features an outdoor pool and extended cable TV. Laundry facilities are available on site at the Motel 6-Tacoma, Fife. The hotel is air-conditioned and pet-friendly. The Tacoma Dome is 4.6 miles from the Tacoma, Fife Motel 6. The Washington State History Museum is 0.9 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.